This is Zhao.
I'm June.
This is our van. Chris from ActiVan helped us build our dream van. Come check it out. The funny story is that I actually found out about ActiVan conversions through one of the Adventure Van Expo videos. Within that video, I believe there was 5 different builders, and Chris from ActiVan Conversions was the first one that showed up. When I saw his van, I immediately fell in love with the whole aesthetic, so we had to have Chris build our van, which is what you see right now in this video that we're in, so that is pretty cool. When we approached Chris in the first place, we really wanted this foresty look, if that makes sense. We wanted a lot of wood in here, and we wanted the main color to be green. And luckily, he was able to make that happen for us. As you guys can see, like, we got these green colors, and then we got wood flooring panels on the ceiling, on the walls, on the floors. And this wallpaper as well, we picked out for this van, which I think it came out really great. Here we got the kitchen. The kitchen has a single stove, it's electric, and this sink is amazing as well. We actually brush our teeth here as well. We cook our meals here. We also turn our seats backwards, and we put up this dining table so that all 4 of us can enjoy a proper meal. One of the things that we felt was lacking going with a darker theme is lighting in the interior, especially at nighttime. So we added these LED lights. These are hexagons, and these are triangles over here. And these lights, you can adjust them to different dim levels and also different hues. So for nighttime, we actually turn these lights into a red hue for the bathroom breaks. It doesn't really wake you up. So yeah, these are really great. We got a full bath in here. This is a 30 by 32, if I remember correctly. Inside of the shower, we also have a porta potty. Also, besides this indoor shower, we also have an outdoor shower that's in the rear of the van. What we really like about our van is something that we really don't find on any other vans out there on the market, is the fact that we can have 4 people sit in this van and sleep in the van at the same time very comfortably. And the way we do that is we have a second deck which allows us to sleep 3 person up there, and then 1 single bed. It's underneath the first one that I sleep in. We have a family of 4, we got 2 daughters, so that is the crucial component that we really wanted in our van. All 4 of us have to sleep really comfortably here. If it's not comfortable, we're not gonna want to go on a camping trip. So this bed, what you're seeing here, it's actually a little bit bigger than a full queen size bed. And the way that we achieve that is by having this bed platform built in the 170, and as well as adding the 2 flare space flares on the sides. This way, when we sleep across the van, we can actually fit 4 people in here. For 2 adults and 2 kids, you can sleep 4 across, or you can do what we do is we have 1 adult sleep with 2 kids up here across, and then the other adult can sleep underneath here. There's a single bed. It's a twin size mattress that's underneath this platform. We also have 2 dogs, and those 2 dogs sometimes sleep with me, and sometimes they can sleep on these captain chairs, either in the back or in the front. So it works for the whole family. It's a great van. We love it. On top of this ladder, when you climb up there, there's a Starlink, and other than Starlink, we have a 30 by 60 inch of deck space. You can put a chair up there and you can enjoy the view from up there. And other than that, we got 400 watts of solar panel. We also have a AC, we have a fan, and we have that cargo box installed up there where I used to store my camping chairs. So thanks for checking us out, and I'm gonna pass it to Chris. He's the builder of our van. For more detailed information about the van, he's got you guys.
What's up guys, Chris here with ActiVan Conversions. We're out of Reno, Nevada. We built Zhao's incredible Sprinter 170 4-wheel drive van fit for a family of 4. So let's check out the ins and outs of this thing. So we're inside this beautiful van. This is our Cypress 170 floor plan. We have a couple options and variants with our Cypress 170 floor plan. This one specifically is for a family of 4, so you got the 2 captain's chairs here. If you don't need those 2 captain's chairs, we can do an extended kitchen like out to here and put another row of drawers, as well as like a bench. Some customers opt for just like the single captain's chair, and then we do the bench right here as well. There's a lot of versatility in this. We can do rooftop tents as well. That's a nice option when you do have, you know, the 4 seats here with like an accessible ladder inside and then right into the tent. Zhao and his wife picked some really, really cool finish options in this van. We can do pretty much anything in regards to that. Our standard is like white shiplap. You'll see You know, a lot of the styles that we do on our Instagram and YouTube, very bright and white. This is more of a homier, darker, foresty take on what we do. So yeah, we're really excited how this thing turned out. We build all of our vans in-house. We have electrical engineer, finish carpenters, cabinet builders. What you'll find in our vans is what you'd find in a high-end luxury home. Our window frames, they're tightly mitered, fully framed out, no gaps. We have all of our trim on our shower. You have poles from Restoration Hardware, hex tile backsplashes that you can customize if you want them, you know, subway tile or hex tile, black, white, whatever you want. Large sinks with butcher block countertop. We can also do like a faux concrete countertop. This kitchen galley is custom made for this customer, really down to the inch of how far you want to go out with your cabinet. And we spec these out specifically for each customer. We can do any Sherwin-Williams colors, spray them, match them to the upper cabinets. All of our finishes that we use in these vans are super high end. You'd find them in a custom luxury home and right here in our vans too. In the back, we put in a 42-gallon fresh tank and then 540 amp hours of battle-born lithium batteries. This thing can be off-grid, I mean, pretty much indefinitely if you manage your power well. All you really need to do is fill up your water tank. But yeah, we got alternator charging, DC to DC back there, 400 watts of solar on the roof, so you're sitting pretty comfortable in this thing and you'll be in here for a while. That takes care of that. Cypress 170 van tour with Zhao, our awesome customer. We're ActiVan Conversions out of Reno, Nevada. You can find us online at www.activanconversions.com, Instagram, the.active. We're here at the Sonoma Adventure Van Expo. Love it. Let's have a good time. Thank you.